I used to apply screen protectors on my iPhone, but recently, starting with iPhone 17 Pro Max, I did an experiment. I removed every kind of screen protector. I've been using it like this for the last 4 to 5 months. Initially, when Apple announced the ceramic shield with iPhone 12, it was definitely good at being shatter resistant, but it used to scratch badly. With passing years, Apple improved this with every passing generation, and now we have a pretty solid glass that I don't think so we need a screen protector. Of course, screen protectors help with that extra protection, like it'll help to absorb the impact in case of a severe damage. But they all have a downside. Usually, iPhone screen protectors have a black border, and with every new iPhone generation, the bezels are becoming thin and thin, and it's really hard to find the right screen protectors that have exact same thickness of bezels. And if you do find a borderless screen protector, then it usually lasts for a few months before shattering from the edges with no obvious reason. So, since the start of this year, I did this experiment. Before this, I was using a screen protector on my iPhone, but since the start of this year, I'm using absolutely no screen protector. I always have it in a case because the aluminum frame isn't that durable, and this raised lip right here helps to protect the glass in case of a direct fall facing downwards. Now, after a few months of use without any screen protector, let's see if I have any scratches on my iPhone 17 Pro's screen. Well, there's not a single scratch, and the display is actually flawless. I'm amazed that finally we can say goodbye to screen protectors. Using a phone by touching its actual display really feels different. The glass is high quality, it smudges less, and of course the latest iPhones have that anti-reflective coating. This anti-reflective coating gets masked when you're using a screen protector. But now, since I've removed it, there's no issue with that anti-reflective coating. The screen looks absolutely gorgeous, and I'm seeing the true thin bezels of my iPhone 17 Pro. In future, we are going to see even thinner bezels, like on the 20th anniversary iPhone. So for this reason, now I don't think I'll be using a screen protector on my iPhone from now on. What are your thoughts? Are you guys using a screen protector on your iPhone? Let me know in the comment section, and I'll catch you in the next one.